Welcome to EncycloHub. Here we are discussing MA Psychology. Questions. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of question solution in PDF and handwritten. Also, if you need answers of any type of subject or course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Now question 3. What were the remarkable features of the Maya settlements?
20.
4. Write a brief note on the standardization of coinage in Persian Empire.
20.
5. Write short notes on any two of the following in 250 words each. 10 plus 10. I. Hominids. 2. The Huns. 3. Aramaic. 4. Cuneiform literature. Section B. 6. How could the rise in urban centers have led to the decline of feudalism?
20.
7. How did printing influence society?
20.
8. Describe the main ills afflicting church in late 15th and early 16th century that gave birth to Protestantism.
20.
9. Describe the growth of towns in Europe during medieval period.
20.
10. Write short notes on any two of the following in 250 words each. 10 plus 10. I. Manners. 2. Banjaras. 3. Modern world. 4. Karimi merchants. Thanks for watching.